This tutorial will show you how to access Canvas and how to check your grades. First, go to my.laselle.edu, which will bring you to the MyLaSalle edu homepage. You may need to use your login credentials. When you've arrived at MyLaSalle, you'll go to the Quick Links page and you'll go to Canvas. Canvas will take you to your classroom. You may have to log in using your credentials. And your dashboard will look different than mine. Mine is set up like this because these are the classes that I'm assigned to. You'll be assigned also to a few classes, and they'll be here under Published Courses. Click on a course that you're looking to access. For instance, I'm going to go to the Graduate and Professional Studies Orientation page. And then your Canvas class will open. You'll find a whole menu of items there on the left, including syllabus, modules, assignments, discussion posts, and you'll also find grades. This is where all grades for your class will be posted as they're published. You'll find your name. It'll just show you. I'm an instructor for this course. And then it'll show your grades. You'll be able to search by various subject areas, and you'll be able to see if grades have not yet been published. If you have a question about your grade book or anything in your dashboard, you just go back to your class. And you can email your instructor directly through the inbox and just send them a question. Any other questions? You can also reach out to them directly through your LaSalle email account.